Hi everyone, this is Akash Mehta, India editor of Labels and Labeling magazine. And in this video, we are going to talk about installation of 6-color Jetsci Global KolorSmart plus UV inkjet label press at Ahmedabad-based label converter Shreeram Industries. And for this, I have with me Akash Mehta, director of Shreeram Industries. Welcome, Akash. How are you doing today?
Hi, good evening. How's it going? Tell me.
So it's great to have you here. Thank you for taking the time for this interaction. And could you
Absolutely.
please kick off this conversation by telling us a little about Shreeram Industries?
Yes. So Shreeram Industries basically started off as a printer for pharmaceutical packaging material. And we were basically only into primary packaging. So if you know tablets and capsules, we used to only provide the aluminum foils to the pharma companies. Slowly, we went on to even acquiring an offset. And now we also have the digital press for labeling. So we are basically moving towards a one-stop solution for printing for any kind of packaging, be it flexible or labeling industry.
All right, that's interesting. So, talking a little about your new investment, when did you decide to install the new jet ski press, and what was the reason behind the investment?
So throughout the pandemic, we were really interested in having, starting something where there would be minimum human intervention. So basically, we wanted less involvement of labor in anything new we start or anything new we do in the industry. And labels was something which were very interesting to us because it was the same companies which we were just adding a product, and our marketing would be to the same companies that the one we are already sending material to right now. So labels we were looking at since a year, but we were not really finding a solution where our labor involvement would be less. So basically we wanted less of involvement of people, and it would be all a computerized or an automized thing. That's how we decided on a digital press firstly. Okay, if you're going for a label industry thing, if you want to enter, we want to go with a digital printing and not like the conventional flexo or anything. And that's how we basically made the investment. We thought of it, and we really think we can come through with it right now.
All right, and why did you choose this press specifically, the jet ski label press?
So if you look at the color smart, where we looked at a few more right now, and I don't remember the names right now, it was a long time ago. But the color smart specifically gave me, the normal digital printers give you a normal CMYK printing option, and the color smart has a special white and a special orange, which definitely stands out. If you see the printing on this machine, it really is it's a very big difference when you have these two extra colors. So it's a 6-color press, so that actually makes a very big difference. So this is one of the things. And the software, from the software, when you shoot the printing and everything, it is very user friendly. I mean, it just took us maybe less than 15 to 20 days to get over the machine and get the training done and everything. So I think it's very user friendly, and it has a special 2 colors, which actually makes a difference on the product in the end.
Okay, and what are the best features of the machine, according to you?
Well, the best features you could say is how user friendly it is, and how it actually accepts the substrates without any kind of issues. Like, that we have an option of moving the heads, we have the option of actually maintaining it, and knowing any kind of issues coming ahead. And absolutely, the Monotech team is so perfect with everything. Even the slightest of issue, they're always online to support us. So it was basically, all in all, even the team, the manufacturers, and the machine, which give us a very edge over other machines right now in the industry.
Okay, and what was the installation process like?
Oh, well, it was very smooth. I mean, I was meeting Mr. Devakar. I think he's the technical head of Monotech, and him and his team are young, energetic. I think it was like a very smooth process. It was all in all a fun process during the installation. It didn't have any kind of laid backs or anything. It was just going on point, and they were very clear before we even got the machine what kind of flooring they require. It was very, very documented, and it was really on time. We're very happy with how fast we could start and even start commercial production of the machine.
Uh, Sounds great. So what kind of plans do you have? Do you plan to target any new market segments with the machine? And what kind of
Absolutely. So with how when we're doing this trial phase of the machine, we saw the quality the machine can provide. We definitely are looking into entering the cosmetic industry right now, where the short runs are basically what they require. Massive requirement is there for the short runs. So we're looking to enter cosmetic where actually people will value the label and not only the cost price of the label, and they would actually want to see it as a marketing for their product on their shelf space. If they have a unique label, it will definitely attract more customers. We're looking to target the industry where this is more important, quality is more important than the cost.
all right. So what kind of growth are you expecting from the machine overall?
Wow, it's just been actually a month or two, and I could say we've not had a single day where the machine was shut. So we're definitely looking to do a good growth right now. We're seeing really
Okay.
positive results, and the feedbacks of our customers are absolutely amazing.
All right. That sounds great. So thank you, Akash, and congratulations on the new investment.
Thank you so
And
much.
thank you
Thank you so
so
much.
much. Thank you so much for taking the
Pleasure.
time to speak about it.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Sounds great.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for covering this. Take care.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and make sure to click the subscribe button at the top of the screen. You can see more videos from this playlist by clicking the video on the right or click the video on the left to see all of our other videos.